Hey, today I'm going to show you IKEA Nizhny Novgorod. Morning. I wait for taxi. This is library. There is a school class for checkmate. My son learn checkmate, you know. Arrive in a little train station, wait for train. It's interesting. I have this one. Odon, my hamburger.
S731.
It's done. I'm in Nizhny. Meet old friends. We don't meet maybe 3 years. What's up? This is Sophie. Good morning. This is Siroga. We in IKEA Nizhny Novgorod. We need a mask. How you doing?
My name is Natalia and I'm responsible for sustainability at IKEA Russia. And today we are at IKEA Nizhny Novgorod to see how the store is dealing with the food waste. Food waste is a huge problem and all the landfills are filled with food waste that emits methane, which is a very heavy climate change gas. And the best thing that can ever happen to waste is the best waste is the waste that has never been generated. So as per waste hierarchy, we are first of all reducing the waste, then trying to reuse the waste, and if none of that happened, we are recycling the waste. And when it comes to food waste, the first thing that we're doing at IKEA stores, we try to reduce it. And today we are looking at a new machine, which is called Food Waste Watcher. It analyzes all the reasons why the waste has been generated. It makes the graphic out of that so that we could understand better why we are throwing away this or that food waste, so that in the future we could plan better and create the new technologies how to avoid the waste being generated. And then, if that is not if waste is generated anyway, we are using another machine that we are also witnessing today here. It's the food waste recycling machine. That's the machine that has the bacteria that are recycling the food waste into the compost. And then we can use this compost to grow new trees and actually the new food, so that the loop can close.
There was a possibility for our coworkers to apply first compost after composter launch and plant flowers in our staff restaurant. Our coworkers were absolutely excited by this activity, and now all departments have their own named plants.
great job. This is Kreml of Nizhny Novgorod with my perfect Russian accent and wind. I don't know how many steps here. we go up. What you say about rivers? This is Volga and left Oka. This cross, I don't know how can say in English, cross rivers. So beautiful place. It's not easy. This is Nizhegorodskie Ostankino, and this is super, I don't know, sales. How can I say in English? I don't know, торговые ряды. Russian, beautiful Russian language. We go to a train station with Serega. And it's all. My trip it's all enough. Finish.